I am here at my driver's cousin's wood shop. I'm gonna check around and see if I see anything that I like, but I wanna show you guys in case anyone on here sees something they like, and when they come to Bali, they could always let me know and I'll get you in contact. Like I know a lot of people like the elephants. Elephants, they love elephants. Oh, I like these masks. I collect masks. Look at all this beautiful artwork. Look at that eagle. He looks like he is ready for his prey. And like the little one. These are horses here. The horse family. I like this rhino. Check out that Buddha. These are some beautiful pieces. Oh, I like that. That's beautiful. Look at this dog, Samantha. Reminds me of your little doggy. Oh, I like that angel. I like that. These are the Buddha heads. Some dragons. Let's go inside the store.
Bảo Vy, xin mi xin nhiều miếng bao cái máy này. Mày, tao cái mày. Mày.
Look at my turtles. I love turtles. Let me see how heavy this is. Cute. These are the Buddhas. Different Buddhas. Hi. And these are the elephants. I love elephants. They're kind of weighty, but I love the elephants. Look at these body parts. Wow. Check this out. And these are the different Buddhas. Wow. And these are the biggest statues. Look at this. Wow, this thing is solid. Look at this bracelet. It's pretty. Beautiful. I like this bracelet. Look at this Buddha. Very interesting pieces. Very interesting pieces. Look at this guy.
So we have
Oh, you got more upstairs too? He said he has more upstairs.
more big thing or
Oh,
round thing,
oh yeah?
more good thing. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yes, please.
I'm gonna go upstairs too. Wait, let me take a look over here. Look at these hands. I like these hands. Ooh, kind of heavy.
That you can use for something, but this is good for decoration only because it's very small.
Yeah, it's very small and light too.
But for this, you can use it.
Right. Look at the stuff over here that Indian has. My friend has a dog like this. Ooh, this thing is heavy.
That's made from
How much is this one?
something like this. Asking price is 70. We do for 50 US dollars.
50 US dollars.
Yes, 50. This the wood is already dry.
Right.
We don't use wet wood, young wood. We must dry before we cut.
Oh, okay. 50 US dollars for
Yes.
this.
But you can, for the price, you can use a plastic money as well.
Oh, okay. These are the masks.
Yes. This is done. This is done by a master artist, master.
Master artist.
Yes. Yes, of course. The same style, but the color is different.
Different. Nice.
And something like this, we have more in upstairs.
Okay.
More bigger, smaller.
Okay, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go upstairs. Hi. Good afternoon.
Yes,
How are you?
Good, I'm good. How are you?
Good. That's good. All right, let me go upstairs.
Yeah, this is the biggest size. Biggest size.
See all this artwork here? Beautiful.
Sorry. Sorry. Yes, I will light black.
Ah.
Yeah, I will do it.
Wow. Look at this one here. Beautiful heads. Oh, look at my turtle. Look at my turtle.
This is made from magnolia.
Magnolia.
Yes. Magnolia we have in Bali.
Ooh, that thing
Yes.
heavy.
Yes, this is done by a master artist.
Master artist. It's beautiful. I like the turtles. I love
You
turtles.
like turtle?
Turtles are my favorite.
We have a small one.
Oh, look at the grandmother with her baby. You have a smaller turtle?
Yes, we have a small dog.
Where is it? Is it? This artwork up here is so beautiful. Look at the panthers.
If you like something big,
Uh-huh.
we can sell it.
You can send it.
Yes.
It's so beautiful. The fisherman. He looks scary.
Like this, excuse me, like this.
Uh-huh.
We take around 3 or 4 months.
For a month to send.
To
make.
making, because must be danced by one person, one artist.
Oh, okay.
Impossible do by 2 or 3 artists because the idea is will be
Different.
different. Yes.
I see. Wow. Beautiful. So many different sculptures. Look at the elephant. Bunch of horses. Wow, let's see what's back here.
That is the dancer, Balinese dancer.
I see. The Balinese dancers.
That we use acrylic.
Wow.
Acrylic paint.
This is so interesting. The fisherman?
Yes.
Very interesting. Where is your
Very funny. Romeo and Juliet.
Oh, okay. That's beautiful. The mother and her baby. And I didn't see these over here neither. Look at that. This artwork here at my driver's meeting cousin's art store is so beautiful. I am gonna probably get the turtle downstairs. I'm gonna go check it out. But I'm gonna put it on and you guys could, if you like anything that you see, just comment in the comment section and I know how to contact him. Okay, so yeah.